up, buddy? Get home safe last night? Yeah, we had a wild time last night, didn't we? We ended up coming back here and having like a little after party, playing Mario Party, and I was killing it on that. I got 8 stars, new record. Anyway, yeah, this place is a filthy mess. And yeah, this room, yeah, it's like 75 bucks a night. And we're checking out tonight. I'm going to Phuket tomorrow, so don't mind all this stuff right here because I'm reorganizing all my luggage. But let me show you the bedroom and all that stuff over there. Come on. But yeah, this is the bedroom right here. I don't know why I'm still holding this shit. It was Songkran. So Songkran here in Bangkok is like a water festival, and it just got done, and you just go out. You can't go outside without getting wet. I'm telling you, you're gonna get drenched. People pour buckets of water on you. It gets really crazy. Like even like people on scooters that we shoot them with water and stuff. It's crazy. But anyway, let me make this bed a little bit for you. I don't know. So yeah, it was a nice comfortable bed. I also wanted to make sure that I used this place before I showed you, just to give you my, it's a good place. I like it a lot. But hold on, this is really it. I mean, we can see the bathroom if you want. Alright, let's go check that. But yeah, here's the bathroom, the toilet, the sink, we got the water, we got that one, and then this one goes down like that. But the thing is, I don't think the water heater in this one works because it's just like cold water and it just doesn't work. But we didn't even complain about that. It's whatever. It's not super cold, but we're good. But let's go back out into the living room. But yeah, that's it for the tour, which you pay 75 bucks a night. This is located in a really nice, a really poppin' area. There's parties right down the street. It's on Soi 4, so it's side street 4, which is off the main road here in Bangkok called Sukhumvit. Like I said, you get access to like everything over here. So great location. Price is a little high, but we were only here for 3 days. I wouldn't stay here long term. I would love to stay in a room like this long term, but I'm not paying 75 bucks a night long term. So definitely worth it. This place is called Park Royal Bangkok. And it's on, like I said, it's like right off Soi 4. It's within an alley off of it. So Park Royal Bangkok, if you want to come here and get the Super Bowl trophy, you can. But anyway, I'm gonna drink some water here and pack up and head out to the next place. We're going to Phuket, which is another city. I'll show you a room there. I'll start doing all these rooms every time I go to a new room and whatnot, and show you guys and see how you guys like it. So let me know what you guys think, and see you guys next time.